Well, the New Zealand dollar has certainly been a good barometer of what's been happening in the global environment over the past couple of months, increasing when things are looking good and decreasing when there's been some negative sentiment. So the fact that we have seen the New Zealand dollar lift over the past couple of days gives a good indication that things on the international front have been slightly more positive, as well on the local front here at home in New Zealand. First off, the election was fairly decisive and international markets have taken this on board fairly positively. It is seen to be a good thing that we've got one strong political party in power at a time when the international environment is looking pretty volatile and European leaders are unable to make decisions. The other factor is that some of the international sentiment has also been positive, with the Europeans deciding that they may look at guaranteeing some of the bonds. Over in the US, they've just had the Thanksgiving holiday, where we usually see plenty of retail sales and plenty of sales going on in the shops. And this seems to have gone pretty well for the US economy. So this has meant that equity markets have lifted strongly over the past day, and the New Zealand dollar has also lifting about 1 to 1.5 cents against the US, and early on Tuesday morning we were trading at around 75.5 against the US dollar. While the New Zealand dollar has lifted over the past day or two, we still remain well below the previous highs we've been experiencing over the past couple of months. Now at this point in time we were trading well over 80 cents against the US, and at one point in time we were trading as high as 88 cents against the US dollar. So at current levels, we've drifted around 15 to 20% lower than these very, very high levels. Now this has been providing some benefits to local New Zealand beef farmers, and processors have offered the opportunity from the lower New Zealand dollar to lift scheduled prices here at home. Now we are expecting to see the New Zealand dollar lift at some point as international tensions begin to ease. But this will be slightly offset by the fact that the US market continues to look very, very strong, and we are expecting this to continue over the next year to 2 to 3 years. And this is going to provide some good benefits to local New Zealand farmers. So right through this season we do expect to see some seasonal easing, but in general beef prices should remain pretty strong.